Today on Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts, we are going to make avocado chicken salad. It's a fun twist on classic chicken salad with avocado. It is naturally creamy without any mayo or sour cream and makes for a great quick lunch or even an easy dinner. Hi, I'm Erin from dinnersdishesanddeserts.com, and today's recipe is a fun twist on an old classic. And I'm going to get this out of the way right away. I don't like mayo. Never have, never will. I don't like the smell. I don't like the taste. Anything that has mayo in it, I pretty much avoid. And chicken salad is one of those things that I've always felt I missed out on. But one thing I do love is avocado. So I took mashed avocado and some diced avocado because I like the texture and turned it into chicken salad. So it is great for non-mayo lovers. It is great if you just love avocado, and it is perfect for picnics, get-togethers, potlucks, or just about any time. So let's see what we need to make this. I like to use a rotisserie chicken for this, and then we're going to use avocado, a little bit of chopped onion, a little bit of diced tomato, fresh cilantro, lime juice, salt, and pepper. This is a super easy recipe that you can make ahead of time. You can have it in the fridge waiting for you so you have quick lunches all week. Otherwise, it's great to make ahead in the morning to have for dinner that night. Great to take on a picnic, super versatile, great recipe. You are gonna love it, and let's get started. So we are going to shred up part of the rotisserie chicken. You can either chop it into chunks if that's what you like, or you can shred it like this. Then we are gonna slice our avocado. Slice into the avocado and then rotate the pit around the knife and then open it up. We will remove the pit by slicing it with our knife. Twist it gently and it should come loose, and then discard the pit. We are going to mash half the avocado. It'll act as the mayo in our chicken salad. And then we're going to dice up the other part. So in a bowl, we'll combine the shredded chicken, the mashed avocado, and then we're going to mix that together until it's pretty well coated. Onion, tomato, cilantro, salt, and pepper. Then add in the diced avocado, a squeeze of lime juice, and then we are just going to toss until it's nice and well blended and everything is combined. Here you'll want to taste it and adjust the salt and pepper as necessary. Every avocado tastes a little bit different, so just taste and see if it needs adjustment. You can serve this on sandwich bread, inside a pita. If you have sourdough bread, you could put it in a tortilla and roll it up like a wrap. Today, I'm going to just serve it on a hamburger bun. Anything works. You could even just serve it with crackers and eat it with a fork. Seriously, it is that good. I love to use the rotisserie chicken because it's a shortcut and it's just easy, but also the chicken has so much flavor, it really amps up this chicken salad. So I hope you will try this. Even if you love mayo, give this a try. Really, it is that good. This is such an easy recipe that you can make in just minutes, and you can have for lunch on the go. You can take it to work. You can have it on a picnic. It is super versatile and so good, and everybody is going to love it. Even if you like mayo, trust me and give this a try. So I hope you enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.